welcome back to my channel. My name is Odette. I want to share with you today another Ikea hack. These basic shelves from Ikea, they cost £70 I believe, but it's very Scandinavian look and I want to make it more rustic, more industrial. So today I want to show you how we do it. The unit is going to go in here. As you can see, the fireplace is coming along nicely, but we had to stop because there are some pipes, flue pipes, we are waiting to be delivered, so we can't go any further. So I decided to utilize the time I have today at home and crack on with the industrial shelf. Let's get on with it. So, this is all I want from this shelf, is the frame. It's metal, it's black, and from here I can do whatever I want and to make it less Swedish and more industrial farmhouse. Didn't want to bore you too much with the assembly. It may feel like it's written in Swedish, but it's not. It's English. Read, read, and read again, and eventually you'll get your head around to assemble the unit. It may take you a while, but you can do it. So, from here, we're going to start to go off grid. These shelves they give us, there's two of them. They're nice shelves, but we don't want them for here, so we're going to keep them. We may be able to use them in another project. There is also two toughened glass shelves. We don't want them either, so I may use them elsewhere for another project. From now on, Mr. B will take over, and what we're going to do, Mr. B is going to build shelves in here using wood pallet. We have quite a few deliveries lately because of the renovations, so we have had a few pallets that I have been dismantled and keeping the wood. So Mr. B now is going to cut to size and build shelves all the way, and then I will be staining them and varnishing them, and that will be the unit completed. So, Mr. B job is finished. He done all these lovely shelves for me. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to give them a light sand and then I will stain them. I think I'm going to use the leftover I have to match the mantelpiece that I did for the fireplace, because this will be right next to it. It will be nice having the same tone. So let's do some sanding. So that's my shelf finished. As you can see, it fits this corner perfectly. I'm so pleased how it turned out. I can't wait to paint the wall behind so that I can put all my stuff in it. I hope I give you some ideas how to achieve industrial look at a very small budget. Thank you for watching. If you like my videos, please don't forget to subscribe and give me the thumbs up. And I'll see you in the next video. Bye bye.